paper patterns done. I've included the seam allowance and I've got my fabric here. I'm ready to cut my panty. So this is my selvage. I'm going to line up my paper patterns such that the grain line will be parallel to selvage. I'm going to weigh them down. We cut the gusset. You just have to remember that you have to cut a pair of gussets. So now that we have cut our pieces from our fabric for the panty, we just need a few more haberdasheries before we can start sewing. So I am actually using stretch needles. You could use universal needles or jersey needles or ballpoint needles. So make sure you have the correct needles. I've got my regular thread, matching thread to your panty. You need some elastics. So this is picot elastic that is meant for a panty. So I've got dusty pink and blue right here. And you might want to grab some tailor's chalk, but what I have here is air erasable and water erasable markers, just in case I need to mark up any part of my panty during construction. Of course, you need your regular haberdasheries like scissors, measuring tape. I may use pins. Make sure you test it on your fabric to see that it would not snag any yarns in your knit fabric. And then we are ready to start.